Welcome everyone to a brief video demonstration of the Congo Red Dot Test iPhone application. Let's begin by opening up the application titled Med App Test. You'll notice the first screen that appears is a quick list of reference instructions and a navigation bar at the bottom. The navigation bar is used to choose between the three main windows: Home, Camera, and Image Library. To change windows, tap on the icon in the navigation bar. Moving on, let's take a new image. I'm going to tap the camera icon to bring up the camera screen, and then I'm going to press the New Image button. After that, the camera utility will open. I'm going to align the camera over the sample sheet to get a clear image. I recommend holding the camera about 6 to 7 inches above the subject to get optimal clarity. I'm going to tap the screen to focus the image on the sample sheet and then press the camera button at the bottom to take an image. Next, a scaling tool will appear that will allow me to center the image on the subjects I'm interested in. I'm using 2 fingers in a pinching motion to expand and contract the image. Now I'll tap the Use button to save the image to the image library. Using the navigation bar, I'll tap the Image Library icon to move to the image list, where I'll find the image I just took. Here, I can tap the cell to open the image's edit history. An image's edit history is where all modifications of an image are stored. I haven't made any modifications yet, so all we see is the original image. Tapping the original edit brings up the Edit's Detail view, which contains 3 buttons: a button to view a larger version of the image, a button to crop the image, and a button to submit the image for analysis. Here we have a bunch of samples in the same image, so I'm going to tap the Crop Image button to extract a few individual samples. To get a sample, I'm going to use one finger to drag a box around one die formation, making sure to leave a healthy border of about 10 pixels or so. I'll then tap the Crop button to save the sample to the edit history. I messed up a little on that one, so I'm going to redraw a box around it, and the old box will disappear. Let's go back to the edit history to view our samples. You'll notice that the edit history contains all the samples we took. I'll tap a sample to enter its detail view. Now that we have a neatly cropped sample, I'll tap the Submit button to calculate its correlation coefficient, which is displayed in the text field at the bottom. To remove a sample, swipe across the cell and tap the Delete button. This has been a demonstration of the Congo Red Dot Test iPhone application. For further reference, please refer to the manual, which can be found at www.timcott.com.